Oh man, that went up my sinuses. Oh.
What's up with the mighty hot sauce from McDonald's?
In case you missed the 2020 debut, here's what to expect. McDonald's Mighty Hot Sauce boasts a blend of crushed red pepper and spicy chilies, balanced with savory garlic and a hint of sweetness, while the McNuggets include both cayenne and chili pepper seasoning mixed in with that classic crispy, fried...
I wonder what size they got on those spicy McNuggets. 10 piece. What?
That's all?
Let's go for it.
We get fries and stuff with it too, or we just get nuggets?
Sorry about that way, I'm gonna take your order.
Yeah, let me have the two 10-piece spicy chicken McNuggets with the mighty hot sauce.
You want those just as the nuggets or the meals?
You want a meal? I'm just gonna get the nuggets.
Yeah, I just want some nuggets. Get
Just
water.
the nuggets, and you get 2 ice waters.
All right, anything else?
No, that'll be all.
Go ahead and pull to the first one. That's gonna be $9.82.
All right, thanks. That's cheap.
How much?
$9.82.
That's 20 chicken nuggets. I mean, the hot ones, so they're kind of a special, you know?
Yeah.
They got the special tag on them.
They should charge more for the special tag. God dang it. Somebody, am I gonna pay here? What do you say, first window?
Oh,
Nobody? Oh, there we go.
What do you have?
Spicy chicken nuggets. Yeah. We can't keep you on the right lane.
What you have? I hate the double lane shit, man.
Thanks, buddy.
The double lane stuff makes no sense to me. I think, like, you know, if you've got that many, first of all, shame on everybody for coming to McDonald's instead of trying to eat better.
Yeah.
For once. For one thing. And you come to McDonald's sometimes, but it seems like this place has always got people in the drive-thru.
Spicy nuggets with the mighty hot sauce?
Yeah. All right.
What's up?
Thanks.
All right then.
There you go,
that was
man.
easy.
Yeah.
Gotta have a little water. What if you
And
think?
fast.
What if you think it's so hot? I can't stand it.
What if they're so hot?
Yeah, I hope
Oh.
I hope they're just surprisingly
That's why I
hot.
want to try just one nugget by itself,
Me-
and
yeah, I
then
am
go
too.
in with the other stuff.
But yeah, it's like, man, are you that hot? I mean, are you really that hot though? You park right here, eh?
Yeah.
Get it in the back.
Oh, get it in the back.
Just to get McDonald's in the background.
Oh.
Let me take your seatbelt out. I'm feeling like I'm dying. They're taking my rights away. Or something like that.
Oh man.
Yeah, man. So what's up? How you been?
I'm good.
Me too.
Yeah.
I feel good. I feel real good.
Well, I'm starving, man. Oh, I figured they'd be in a box.
Oh, they're in a little baggy
A
bag.
little bag.
Well, I'm about to count them. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They give us napkins. They give us 2 sauces a piece.
5, 6,
2
7.
straws.
I got 9.
What?
I didn't get 10.
No way.
4.
Dude, are you serious?
As a heart attack, count yours.
1, 2, 3, 4. They smell good.
Yeah, they do.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I got 9. They dipped me.
You want half of one of mine?
No, man. Is there one in the bag still? Maybe it fell out.
I don't think so.
Yeah, hell with it.
I'll give you half one of mine.
No. You didn't fuck. You didn't mess up. They did. You don't have to pay for their indiscrepancies.
So which one would you rather have? Missing a chicken nugget or napkins? Or a straw?
Chicken nugget. I mean, I really like. I mean, because I don't need an extra chicken nugget. You know what
You
I'm
gotta
saying?
have the napkin and the
Yeah.
straw sometimes.
Well, let's see what we got here. No.
Give them that.
It's like spicy chicken.
Mm.
That's a vinegar base, whatever the spice is. Maybe a cayenne pepper sprinkled in the batter or something.
I'm just now starting to get heat off of it.
Like cayenne or something like that.
Yeah.
I think it tastes like cayenne.
It's a good damn.
Maybe
It's a good chicken nugget, man.
It's a damn good chicken. Maybe.
Ooh.
Hey,
Ooh. That's good right there.
that is good. That's harder than a nugget.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail. Kadoosh. All right.
Man.
That's all right.
Yeah. With the sauce.
You know what's funny?
Good.
I mean, it's not that hot, But this is the kind of crap that makes your butt hurt in the mornings after you eat it.
Yeah.
It's harder coming out than it is going in. It's making my nose run.
That is pretty good. That's got to be chili sauce or cayenne or something.
Well, it looks like it's got red pepper flakes in it. It's got little chunks in it. That's warm.
Yeah.
I am pleasantly surprised.
Well, me too. I was concerned because I was thinking this ain't gonna be hot.
No.
This really it. I mean, this would be like for a person that don't eat hot stuff.
Yeah, but that and the sauce.
If you don't eat hot stuff, you better not try this mighty hot sauce.
My sodium intake's hitting the roof. I can tell that. Somebody's hand's been all over that too, and I'm just not. God bless America. I got more hoots on this, man.
Well, that's good. Look, I could have done more than just 10 of these.
Oh yeah, I like them because they're crunchy.
Yeah, me too.
But the meat's good in the middle. It's not hard.
Yeah, no, they're fresh. But we are here at like 20 minutes to 11.
Yeah.
Not like Taco Bell.
Do they still serve breakfast all day?
I don't know anymore since the pandemic. Like they got the limited menu, and then when you go online or on the app to see what you can buy, like during breakfast this morning, I couldn't get any kind of lunch items on there. And they used to be like all day menu. You know, they're not even open 24 hours anymore.
Yeah, I did know that. I think it's ridiculous anyway. It's like, yeah, but what about the third shift people? I'm like, take your lunch to work.
Yeah.
That's what we do. We take lunch at 10 o'clock in the morning. Ain't nothing open then. Maybe like Del Taco or something. They don't open until 10:30, I don't think.
Right.
Excuse me.
Yeah, Del Taco ain't open for breakfast.
I do declare.
My tongue is a little stingy.
Yeah, it is. Look at that damn pickle you brought to work. It stings like that. Damn son, you all right?
I'm spilling. Spillage.
You got a little bibble?
I don't even know enough in there to dip now.
Yeah, we might as well get the other one. This is good. I'm pleasantly surprised. Vinegar, sugar, chili peppers, cayenne red peppers, salt, apricot concentrate, garlic, cornstarch, contains 2% or less spices. All the
What's Corona say about it?
Corona?
Cortana. Oh man, that went up my sinuses.
What's up with the mighty hot sauce from McDonald's?
In case you missed the 2020 debut, here's what to expect. McDonald's Mighty Hot Sauce boasts a blend of crushed red pepper and spicy chilies, balanced with savory garlic and a hint of sweetness, while the McNuggets include both cayenne and chili pepper seasoning mixed in with that classic crispy, fried breading.
I was right.
They're pretty good, dude.
They're good.
That's a plus for me.
I said it was cayenne, because cayenne, like the cayenne powder, it's got its own like special heat.
Yeah.
You know, it's not overpowering, but it's just right at the precipice of being too much.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, I like precipices too.
That's one of my favorite words. Kind of like profusely and perturbed. I like P words. Thanks, Cortana. You're awesome. Tell me a funny joke. Okay, here's one. A magician was walking down the street one day when all of a sudden he turned into a grocery store.
Damn.
That's a dumb joke, but I like it.
Oh.
What do you call a bear with no teeth?
I don't know.
A gummy bear.
That's funny right there.
Sorry. Maybe I need to start telling corny dad jokes.
You should.
So I got one for you. You're going to have to bleep just a couple words, not all of them, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe if I can censor it, I'll think about it. So you guys, check this out. So this apple and this orange is floating down a river, right? And this turd comes floating by. And the apple looks over the orange and says, hey man, did you see that shit? That's my favorite joke ever. My favorite joke of all time.
That's good right there.
Oh man, you done? Shit, shoot.
Yeah, man.
You want one of these?
No, you go ahead.
You sure?
Yeah, because you're a big guy.
The hell's
you
that
need
supposed to mean?
Well, you need it.
We thought I'm gonna eat you before we get home or something?
Glad you ain't no bear without teeth.
Yeah. I worked with a couple of those.
Man, I don't know how long this heat's gonna last.
I don't know, but I'm sweating. I want my last
God
one down
dang.
here. But what if I like double it up? Look, here we go.
Look at that crap. Holy moly.
I can get it on both sides. There we go.
Dude, do not wipe your eyes later on. Rub your eyes, whatever. Oh.
That's warm.
Yeah.
I'm sure people's gonna look at that and be like, look at these two sissies. But I'm telling you, we've had the Death Nuts, we've had the hot chocolate, he's done the one chip challenge. This is warm.
After 10 chicken nuggets, dude, this is like the second stage of the Death Nut Challenge, I believe. Oh,
I mean, I think it's a little exaggeration.
I don't know.
I don't know, it is kind of warm. Ooh. But of course, heat affects people different ways.
And water does not help anything.
It just washes it around.
I think it makes it worse.
Johnny Scoble's always got a glass of water. I don't know. That dude says he does not have like lava dumps in the morning. Said it doesn't bother his stomach. It doesn't have cramps or anything like that. I just don't believe it. I like this. This is good. I'll get these again. I don't even like McDonald's, but I know what I'm getting now.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm loving it. Hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Like, share, subscribe, share this video with somebody.
Y'all come back now. Yeah, here.